What's going on with this car? What are you tackling?
Well, we had 3 customer concerns on it. One, our left side lights are not working. Had a major coolant leak and the AC is not working. But in order for me to diagnose the AC or anything like that, I got to fix the water pump first. So we sold the water pump job and sold it with the thermostat and stuff, and that's what I'm working on now.
So that was your coolant leak?
Yeah, the water pump had ruptured.
So now that the vehicle will run, now we can do the AC and electrical testing, right?
Yeah. So now I can run the vehicle without it overheating, and that way the concern of it overheating and any other possible concerns can be addressed now that it can be ran. The other thing that a lot of manufacturers do is they disable the AC when the check engine light's on. So the check engine light is on this vehicle, probably from when it got over operating temperature. So it may have disabled the AC. That's something I got to figure out. Just more diagnosis. So.
Very good. Well, thank you for your time. I'll let you get back at it.
Thank you.